What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out a mystery box from PRHC Production over on Instagram, which is Pocket Rugs Hanky company. It's got an Etsy store that sells all kinds of cool stuff from hats, shirts, patches, hanks, coins, soaps, beads, and all sorts of other things, ski masks. So I've been following him for a while, mainly for his hanks, but he posted on Instagram a little bit back, maybe a week or so ago, that he was doing some mystery boxes. There were 3 available, first 3 in, get them for $65. And so I was lucky enough to be the first one to grab one and received it. I actually already filmed this video. It came in a pretty big box, and after I unboxed it, I pushed the box off to the side and it was still partially in the frame of the camera. And the whole time the camera was focusing on that, and so I realized a lot of the stuff was out of focus. So I'm just kind of doing a quick reshoot to show what I got in this $65 mystery box. I'll put a link down to his Instagram down in the description below. Be sure to check him out. He makes a lot of cool stuff, and as many of the people who watch my channel know, I really enjoy supporting small makers that are just making cool stuff, and he does a lot of different stuff. So the first item in the box was actually this tank top that I'm using as a backdrop here. So it is a tank top, but has his 13 diamond here with PRHC on the bottom, and it kind of matches the first item that I'll show, which is this patch, which is a previous patch that he did with a clown, and on the back of the packaging for this there was this diamond, and kind of matched there. So cool that the tank top matches that. That is a patch. And I guess I'll switch over to some of the other stuff and get back to patches. But there was also a couple bars of soap in here. This one I left in the package. It has like a paw on it, and this is the Big Sur. You can see the ingredients on the back, all handmade soaps, 4 ounces. And actually got 2 different soaps, so they smell super fresh, super clean, masculine, but pretty subtle. They're not overpowering by any means. So really cool. Never bought any handmade soaps. So cool to see from him. He has some cool designs on there. That one has a paw, and then this one I opened up just because it was a little bit difficult to see through the plastic. But this is the Purple Dragon, and it's a slightly different scent, but also very fresh, very subtle. This one's got a little bit more of like a fruity smell to it, but still a pretty masculine smell, and smells really, really good. They're both really super fresh, and again, handmade ingredients, which is really cool. I threw it in a bag since I opened it, and I just kind of put it back here. Next up, we'll go to some patches. These are previous release patches that have been sold out for quite a while now. So cool to be able to get these. Again, you'll kind of recognize that logo on the shirt, different colors. In this one, a blue one and a yellow one. These were sold as a set a few months back, but again, have been sold out. So cool to get those in this pack. And then switching gears here before I get back to the last patches in here was one of his coins or pocket art, whatever you want to call these. It's a metal kind of design, and a burger with some pink and blue edges, and the 13 diamond on the back or front, however you want to look at it. He's got his logo there in the center, and kind of the same design on the back. But pretty cool little coin. He makes a lot of different coins, which is just another kind of cool thing he does. It seems like he likes to switch up his mediums and just do a lot of different things with his designs, and a lot of the logos center around kind of similar themes, but he does tons and tons of different designs, which are all really cool. And so the last item in this box was some unreleased patches, actually. So these are he has some coffin with the 13 on it, patches available in different colorways. I think this colorway just never made it out. I looked through the Instagram, and in the post he mentioned that there would be some unseen and unreleased Ranger eyes. I'm pretty sure these are them. I've seen some purple ones with like a green background, but not the purple with the black. So just a different colorway on these coffin ones, and these coffin ones are really cool, kind of compact, will fit in between some small ones. I don't do a lot of videos on patches and these type of things, pocket art specifically, but you will see them sometimes when I do pouch review videos and that sort of thing. You'll see a lot of the patches make appearances there, and I'll usually tag the Instagrams. Obviously there's not a lot of content when you're talking about just like 1 or 2 patches. but it is nice to kind of feature them in there, tag their Instagrams, get them out there. A lot of people like to put these on their different pouches and don't always know where to get them. And so there's a lot of Instagram makers that I follow that are making really, really cool patches, and PRHC is definitely one of them, so definitely check them out on Instagram. He has an Etsy store where he sells all kinds of things. As you can see, there's a lot of variety just in this video. But let me know what you thought of the contents of this mystery box. Again, nice variety. We got shirts, coins, patches, and soap, so really nice variety for me, and really excited to be able to support just these small companies that are doing really cool things in the community. But again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great one. Take care.